Hey everyone, welcome back to Coder Squad. I'm Alex, and today we're delving into a crucial aspect of web development, the footer tag in HTML. Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to utilize the footer tag effectively to enhance your web pages. Let's start from the ground up. The footer tag is an HTML element used to define the footer of a web page. Just like a footer in a document, it appears at the bottom of the page and contains information that is relevant to the entire page. Now, you might be wondering, why is the footer so important? Well, think of it as the finishing touch to your web page. It provides crucial information that users might need after they've consumed your main content. The contents of a footer can vary depending on the website, but typically, you'll find things like copyright notices, contact information, links to important pages, social media icons, and sometimes even a sitemap. When structuring your footer, it's essential to keep it organized and easy to navigate. Use semantic HTML elements like lists and paragraphs to structure the content logically. Designing your footer is just as important as designing any other part of your web page. Make sure it complements the overall design aesthetic of your site and is visually appealing without overwhelming the main content. One common element found in footers is navigation links. These can include links to important pages like the About Us, Contact, or Privacy Policy pages, providing users with easy access to essential information. Accessibility is key when it comes to web development. Ensure that your footer is accessible to all users, including those using screen readers. Additionally, search engines use footers to better understand the structure of your website, so it can also impact your SEO efforts. In today's mobile-first world, it's crucial to ensure that your footer looks great on all devices. Utilize CSS media queries to make your footer responsive and adapt to different screen sizes. Let's take a look at some examples of well-designed footers from popular websites. We'll analyze what makes them effective and how you can implement similar features on your own site. Finally, let's dive into some practical examples. I'll show you how to implement a footer in HTML, including various elements and attributes you can use to enhance its functionality and appearance. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide to understanding and implementing the footer tag in HTML. Remember, a well-designed footer can greatly enhance the user experience and provide valuable information to your visitors. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell icon, comment, and share. Happy web development!